Let's follow me how to make Rinnegan Naruto anime. First, make circle. Selection, Object, Blend option. Go back to Object, Blend, and Make. Now expand. Right-click and ungroup. Make circle again. Fill color. Make rectangle. Press minus and click. Press P, hold Alt, and drag to curve. Press A to edit handle. Press minus again and do the same as before. Selection, Shape Builder. Hold Alt and click. Right-click and group. Press O, and reflect. Group again. Resize and set to center. Make a dark background. Right-click, arrange, and send to back. Finish. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.